What's up YouTube, it's Ihsaan at StyleJumper, and today we're going to be talking about 5 places where you can find inspiration for color. Hit the notification button below so that you know exactly when we're going to be releasing a new video. Now let's get to it. The first place you can find color for inspiration is birds. We see birds everywhere, right? And it's amazing how many different variations of birds there are. And with that, were you aware that most colorful birds, they're typically the males? Why? Why would you think they need to be colorful? To get them chicks. That's right. Our number 2 natural place to find color inspiration would be flowers. When I'm walking my dog, or I'm looking online, or I'm picking flowers for my lady, my wife, it's really important that I'm paying attention to those colors and all the little accents and all the different variations. I use that as an option as well when I'm looking for clothes. I use those color variations to give me an idea of what exactly to look for, as well as what colors work together as they blend together. Number 3, the number 3 natural place that you can find color inspiration is trees and leaves. I'm a fan of the fall. I love the way the color changes, the leaves changes in the fall. You get your amber, you get your oranges, you get your rust, all these different colors. Even the browns look beautiful to me. But when winter is over and spring comes and you see all these new colors that's popping out, I don't care who you are, if you're around flowers and the spring is coming and the spring is here, you're gonna be smiling because you're gonna, oh man, summer's here. Those flowers smell good. Just puts you in a good mood. The 4th way to find natural inspiration through color are fish. No, I'm not talking about Finding Nemo, or whether you grew up watching Flipper like me. All these different colors of fish, whether it's blue, purple, pink, black and white stripe, black and white polka dot, all these different colors that you can find with tropical fish. Whether you go to the aquarium or you're watching on TV. And actually a really inexpensive way to do it is just to head over to your local pet store and take a look at the fish. Spend some time. The kids will love it because they're going to be running around and looking at, all the different fish, and you can be observant while you're there, checking out all these different ranges of colors of fish. Use those fish as inspiration. A lot of times there's all these different colors of coral that you can get an idea of based on your skin tone, whether or not it's going to look interesting or intriguing when you see those colors of coral in combination with the colors of fish. And then 5th and final natural place to find color inspiration are fruits and vegetables. You know the song, I like
beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes.
I love that song. Me and my kids crack up all the time. So when you're going grocery shopping, go slow down the vegetable aisle. You have another way of looking at a bunch of different colors that are natural. It comes from Mother Earth, Jehovah, Allah, Buddha, whoever you believe to be the creator. Or if you don't believe in a creator, you just believe that something got sprinkled and we have these natural plants. The point of the matter is that's a great option for you to look at for color variation. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. We'll see you next week. And remember, when you're walking out of the house, leave with confidence, etiquette, and style. We'll see you next week.
Beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkeys, rat.